Welcome back to the vlog. Got a lot to do today. It's gonna sound windy because I'm too lazy to grab the dead cat, even though my house is right there. But today we are putting the strut, that he's carrying, on the Benz. So, and it already went down. We are going to be hopefully getting this done today. And we're gonna try and do it pretty soon before we lose all our sunlight. It's currently like 4:45, and this is gonna take way longer than the front strut did. So I'm gonna put this down and get to it because we don't want to be out here forever. So Brian and Aaron actually got it off while I was talking to my buddy Cole, and it's over there now. If you guys want to see the difference, here it is. That is the old strut, obviously. There's the new strut. So yeah, now we're trying to find out how to get the rotor down, the whole hub down actually, so that we can put the new strut in. This is a pain in the butt. It's a huge pain in the butt. We're doing it, so. So we made definite progress. Disconnected part of the lower control arm so that we can get the, move your hand please, thank you. We can get the strut up in there. Now we're about to employ the super interesting idea of using a crowbar to move the control arm down while we try to put the strut in it, because we don't have anything to decompress the strut. So wish us luck. So it's late. We've got 2 more spectators here. And oh man, disconnected the sway bar link. Hopefully we're gonna get that in soon, because we're literally that close. So we got it on, and very many words were said, but we got it on, and now we're trying to reconstruct everything because we forgot what nuts go to what bolts. So I'll update you as soon as we get the wheels on again. Oh, it worked! It worked! 2 swings. Just make sure you don't miss. It's me. Just make sure you don't miss.
Purposefully hit him.
Oh, my neck.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Purposefully hit him.
Oh, my neck. Oh my goodness. Oh. Look at my axle. It goes down in 2. It's because it's off the ground.
Are you serious, my brother?
Oh my gosh. I almost put the car back down without even thinking about connecting the pipe. You know, There
Dang, I moved the camera with my head.
Are you running a time lapse right now?
This was our camera woman for tonight. Have a good night. So, we got most of it back together, and Aaron's making the attempt to put on the brake caliper. But, we did some things. We ended up loosening the control arm, the A control arm, all the way back in the rear bushing that connects to the actual body of the car. And to tighten that, it needs to be under load. So we're putting it back together. We're going to put the wheel on, let the car down, let it air up. And then we're going to pick the car back up and then jack it up under the wheel and tighten up the control arm. So here's the difficult part. It's a deflated bag, so it's going to sit straight down on the jack. And yeah, we're going to have some issues. But we'll find a way through. We have a 1.5 ton jack, which hopefully will try to hold the car. But if not, worst case scenario, we're trying. What?
Metal
I just realized what you said. So we're back. We're back. We got the wheel put on. We're doing the initial test. So we put it down and it's already holding itself up. So moment of truth here. I turned the wheel and it came off the chock. Let it readjust. So typically when resetting the air suspension, you want to cycle between raised and lowered a few times. Just until you know. Oh. I accidentally put this on on. But just until you know. Are you pushing down on it? What was that? Oh, yeah, it's settling. Oil.
Emotional damage.
So, seems to be doing good. So, you can push down on it now? Ooh, that goes down a decent bit. It should be all good though. Oh, look, it readjusted already. Yep. So, yeah. Gotta tighten things down, torque it up, and we'll be done. So, we'll get back to this after we do all of that. Not gonna lie to you, I completely forgot to finish recording last night. We got it done and we had more work to do inside the house, so I ended up falling asleep without filming my outro. But long story short, we got the Benz back up. It is working. It runs and drives. It's not sagging. Came out this morning and it wasn't down, and I didn't have to reinflate the bags, so it's doing great. The last step is just to drive it so that it can readjust itself, because this active air suspension, or airmatic as they call it, will readjust as you drive. So we're gonna head up to Discount Tire to go see my brother, and I'll see if it levels on the way up there or not. I want you guys to do me a favor. Go into the comments and let me know, do you think I should go lower on the back of the Benz? Now, I'm not gonna go like super low where I'm tucked, because I can't afford to drive like that right now, because I still got to change out 2 of my struts. But I can go just a little lower as long as it doesn't bottom out every time I go over a bump. So let me know. Should I go a little bit lower? Maybe take it down. Put it this way. I want you guys to comment whether I should take it down an inch or 1.5 inches. And depending on the majority vote in the car, I'll see how low I should go on the rear. I'll see you guys another time. Y'all be safe. Don't ever drive faster than your guardian angel can fly. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. And welcome back to another episode of the vlog.